Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about this brand new indicator that I have just created. These are factus tites, little facts, as they are. It's not a big tutorial or anything too crazy, but it's really just to show you how it actually functions and how it all works together. If it's just the IME that is learned, then it's all good, you see? It really has taken quite a bit of time to put together. Okay, so it's all good. Let's get to it, okay? And when you break it, then obviously it sings, "Or I will sink you." That's how it is. So to go bearing, I'm registered as an indicator. When we hit the top, you see it will even recare this type of gain. It really will. You see what I mean? And then the indicator is going to tell you when obviously it's going to change color, as you can see. The bull run is going to restart. See what I mean? You can see the old site, it had turned red. See that? And then when the bull run actually started, it turned green straight away. You see how it works, right? And you can definitely keep your tokens in this pot all along. It's exactly like when you arrive at the top. Normally, it ends up with a change to red pretty quickly. And then obviously, that's when it changes color like that. And then we're going to head off in the direction of the base now. And it functions on absolutely any time frame, okay? And as you can see very clearly, it's based on the EMI 50, but it's also based on volatility. What I mean by that is, the wider the bands are, you see here the EMI becomes more and more wide, the volatility really is elevated in that specific situation and time. So that there is just for the week live. But if we're going to use it today, now it's right here. We're going to go into the 1 hour to see exactly how we can work with it, you see? So without looking on the 1 hour, it is super easy to do. Same exact concept, So if you want to take the trade, then you can actually break the EMI on a vector, a good cinch, and it goes up and up and up. When we get to the top, then 10 versions of Bichonti sort of trade. Then you definitely have to retake an entry.
So we can actually take a task of your spot to camp on a canal, which is green. Got it? So then it continues from there, as you can see. So I really do hope that this brand new indicator will certainly help you out a little. It is completely free to you all. And then obviously, you can definitely see here, look at the handsome pocket. Take a long look at the handsome pocket, at the collé that it has created. What I mean by that is, it functions perfectly for absolutely all of the tokens. All the Forex ones, for the actions, the NASDAQ. It will work with absolutely everything, in fact, so often. So I really do hope that you have all really appreciated it. If you want to have it, then obviously it is completely free to you all. And as you can clearly see, we also have it free, actually, which gives to us the go, actually, with the divergences here. That's it, really. I do hope that you have especially appreciated it. I shall certainly say thank you to you all, and goodbye for now.